Yan. Again. Okay, next. Sen.
Ayan na, si Sen.
Again, okay? Yes, it's the breath that will make it even. Okay, good. Good. Let go, Relax your shoulders. Yan ang kailangan mag-connect sa'yo. One more time. Rib cage up. Deep breath. One more time. Sige. Okay, pero kailangan pantay yung kapal niya. Up and down. Breathe. Okay, habang wala si Teacher Monet dito, I will take Miguel, Sen, and Chris. Yes. And the rest can go back. You can either, yung mga, you can stay here na lang para hindi tayo magtatawagan. See you later. You have the lyrics with you? Get it. Sige. Ikaw, alam mo? Anong key ang gusto mo? Saan mo siya tinututok?
Original.
Which is? Sige.
Ay, di pala.
Parang maganda if you start it, if you could play it.
Alam pa, Bugay! 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 Hala! Ate! Hala, Bugay! Hala! Bugay! Ansa? Bugay sa atin ng tiyan ko. Hala! Hindi. Sa loob lang mag-usap ako.
RRJ yan?
Oo.
RRJ na short.
Oo.
Ayun, yung pagkain ko pala.